Crude oil and net gas both traded bearish for the day, as I have recommended you to sell today at 78 levels and expect it to move towards 77.3 and 77 zone. Precisely, it has achieved close to the support levels here, while net gas has also moved towards 1.74. So now what to expect from oil and gas? Can we expect a reversal, or there is further bearishness which is can be expected here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit crude oil and net gas today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day notifications, twice a day uploads. This is the second update for the day. First update I released with the Asia and Europe session. Those who watched must have profited. Let's start. First oil followed with gas. Do join the channel memberships and support the effort as well. Let's start. Now, if you look at the hourly charts for oil here, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. See, 76.8 is the next support levels which it has to break. If it breaks below 76.8, then you can say more bearishness is going to be seen towards 76.3 and then 76 levels. So, selling entry now is only recommended if you see oil trading below 76.8. While on the upside, if you look at on the upside, 78, 78.2 is a greater resistance zone. Now let's have a further detail look. See, stock moving averages are crossing over here, certainly signs of bearishness. Stochastic has formed a triple bottom and a rise from here can lead to a stronger recovery. MACD is divergent and bearish, double top, and it is a crossover here can reverse it. RSI at bottom. Coming to 2 hour on the 2 hour charts here, yes, swing candle here. So see, first it needs to break beyond this zone here at 77.6, 77.8. It has to break the highs, and then we can expect that it can reverse, else it is still not in a, giving any signs of reversal. If you look at the stochastic, this is indeed oversold. The MACD is also trading with divergence and bearishness. A crossover here is what you should wait for. RSI almost flat. Coming to 3 hour. Now, one interesting observation here on the 3 hour charts is the current candle has already formed a trail and it is trying to reverse. So how high it can go? It can try to nullify the losses what we had seen with the preceding candle, which means it can move towards 77.6, 77.7 zone. And then the next candle, if you see it is staying above 77.8, you can expect that it is willing to reverse, and we will look forward to 78.2. The stochastic is oversold here. MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish. But look at MACD, only just 2 candles after the crossover. And that is why I say drop below 77, 76.8 is where the bearishness will certainly increase. RSI is flat. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise, on the 4 hour charts, it has formed a tail and it is coming from the support zone. So possibility of a recovery. But again, on the daily charts, as long as oil stays below 78, 78.2 zone, do not consider this for a reversal. The reversal confirmation here is only above 78, 78.2, where you can expect it to rise more. The stochastic has dropped sharply. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish, only 2 candles away. RSI is flat. Coming to daily. Now, on the daily charts, one must look at, see, 78.6 have become a wall which it needs to break. Now, one must notice first wall, then a bigger bearish candle, couple of retracement candles achieving higher highs. Thus, this candle has still further possibility of bearishness here. Just it needs to stay below 76.8, where you can expect it to move towards 76.3, 76, and in fact 75.5. A sharper drop cannot be denied, but it has to stay. Yes, you can sell here at 77 itself, but 77, 76.8 is something just you should watch out for. Below that, certainly more bearishness will be seen here, because looking at the daily charts and looking at this candle and retracement and a reversal here, it suggests that possibility of further bearishness exists in crude oil. The stochastic looking downwards. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is looking down. Considering this, before I give you the trading levels and strategy for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing on 4th of March. Register yourself now. Limited seats are available now. Or if you just want to trade as per the signals, join my signals group on Telegram. For any of your queries related to the signals or mentorship batch, you can write an email or you can ping me on Telegram. Do join the free Telegram channel as well for live market updates, and do visit my platform forexhonda.com for all the markets related information. For in fact, community of traders is there, and also you can book a call with me there on the platform. Do visit the platform. Now, considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 77, below which oil has a possibility to move towards 76.4, 76.6 zone. Very strong support levels exist here, and then 76 levels. Now 76, 75.5 indeed are very, very good support level for oil on the down. The sell at 77. On the buy side, I will only recommend you to buy here at 77.6. but then wait for it to break beyond 77.8, 78, 78.23 resistances. If oil is seen trading beyond 78.2, just close your eyes, stay bullish. See, it has formed a double bottom and it can reverse as well. These are markets, anything is possible. Thus, if you see it is staying beyond 78.2, just stay bullish in oil. We will look forward to 79 levels this time. Take your positions accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now, let's have a look at natural gas. See, gas has seen a drop here. It has come to the support levels at 1.75. See, the rise has started from this triple bottom levels. It has erased all the gains and it has come back to the support. And you can see this as a triple double bottom, and see this was the triple bottom levels as well. Thus, only selling entry today is if you see net gas is staying below 1.74, you can initiate a selling entry as a possibility of a recovery exists. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is bearish, RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts here, rise and sharper retracement. Yes, double bottom levels. It has to break below 1.74 in order to confirm the bearishness. Else, what has happened here? Drop, retracement, drop, and it could recover from the current levels. But if it even if it tries to recover, remember it has got greater resistance here. 1.78, 1.8 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm reversal. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI has dropped. Likewise, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation here, and definitely 1.74 is going to be a good support. Stochastic at bottom here, MACD is divergent and bearish. This is one observation here. See, the rise was stronger and it is traded with divergence and bearishness. It has still potential for it to continue with the sell. RSI has dropped. Coming to 4 hour, look at 4 hour chart. See, moving average is crossed over here. Certainly signs of bullishness, and it is taking the support from precisely same zone. This is also a good observation because 1.74, if it breaks, then you can say that slight increase in bearishness will be seen, which can take the prices towards 1.72 and 1.7 levels. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD has also crossed over, and yes, it is also trading with divergence and bearishness here. See, this is just third candle and there is a possibility that it could diverge more, which means more bearishness may prevail. RSI has dropped. Coming to now look at daily charts. See, these three candles getting support from precisely the same zone. And on the upside, the candle is started in red. We have to wait. If it breaks beyond 1.8 is where the bulls will take over. Else it is still staying bearish. And on the downside, breaking below 1.74 is where we can say now we can expect a second red candle. This is symmetry. This is symmetrical, and this candle could try to achieve higher lows here. Be watchful of this. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down, but look at MACD on the daily charts. It has still got the bullishness intact. And why? Drop, retracement, drop, double bottom, precisely double bottom. It is forming a W here, and thus this is a sign that the bulls are not willing to give up here in net gas. RSI has come out of the oversold. Thus, considering this, yes, you can buy here at 1.78 and expect it to move towards 1.8, 1.82. And if these two levels are taken, then we can say that we will see a rise towards 1.8586. And beyond that, it has to break beyond 1.9 in order to confirm the reversal here. Possibilities there. On the downside, a selling entry at 1.74 can be taken, but then 1.72 and 1.7 are two very strong support levels on the downside, below which more bearishness is going to prevail here. Below the 1.7, certainly the chances for it to move towards 1.65 will be very high. If not today, possibly with the next session, it can try to give a gap down, move towards 1.65, 1.62 levels and bounce. So do not trade between 1.74 and 1.78. In between these levels, just watch. On the upside, be careful as long as 1.82 is not broken, and on the downside, be careful as long as 1.7 is not taken. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series, Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Thank you very much. See you again with the weekly reviews tomorrow. Do watch that as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day and a happy weekend.